Analog repair on Sony CFI ZCT1G wireless controller. Thank you, Sir Franklin, for trusting PTT Solutions. This controller is an inclusion if you opted to buy a brand new PS5 console. The problem is that the analog on the left side will always go to a different direction, even when not touched. Analog joysticks on the Sony wireless controller can experience wear and damage over time due to regular use, leading to issues like joystick drift. Dust and debris can accumulate inside the joystick mechanism, causing it to malfunction. Regular use can lead to physical wear on the joystick components, making them less responsive to prevent damage. Handle the joysticks gently and avoid using excessive force. Periodically clean the controller to prevent dust and debris from accumulating. If you experience issues with the analog joysticks, consider repair options. Professional repair services can replace worn-out components or clean the internal mechanisms. To restore functionality, if the controller is under warranty, you may be eligible for a replacement or free repair from Sony's proper handling. Regular cleaning and using protective covers can help maintain the functionality and longevity of your Sony CFI ZCT1G wireless controller's analog joysticks. After a year of use, the analog joystick on the Sony CFI ZCT1G wireless controller DualSense can become damaged or develop defects such as joystick drift. Despite the controller's high-quality build and durability, extensive gaming sessions and regular wear and tear can lead to. Many users have reported that over time, the joysticks may start to register movement even when not being touched, significantly affecting gameplay. Analog repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.